Okay, here's another silent vibrato exercise that you can do without a cello. So if you are bored in class or on a long bus ride, something like that, this would be the perfect way to practice. Take your right hand, lay it out flat, and place your left thumb right in the center of your palm, okay? And you're not going to be pressing at all, and in fact your thumb is going to be gently curved, okay? And then we're going to take this right hand and put it at about left shoulder height. You don't need to actually be touching your shoulder, but it should be in about that place. Then you're just going to put a finger down on the other side and do your vibrato motion, okay? Now you'll notice where my elbow is right now, not too high, not too low, and not flapping around, okay? And the reason I like doing this particular vibrato exercise is because it helps me feel two specific things. One, it helps me feel if I'm squeezing at all, right? Because if I'm doing any sort of squeeze between my thumb and my finger, well, I'm going to feel that in the center of my hand, right? So you don't want to feel any pressure at all in the middle of your hand from either side. The other thing it helps me do is feel how my thumb balances my other whatever finger's vibrating. So here I am on first finger, and my first finger is basically across from thumb. Then I'll switch to second finger, and lo and behold, my second finger is now right across from thumb. Okay. Now third and fourth finger might be a little further down on my hand, but still you can feel how when you go from first finger to, let's say, third finger, the thumb does change the balance of your hand. Now I'm actually leaving my thumb in the same place, so in this case it's the opposite side of my hand that's doing the balancing, which is a little different from real vibrato, but it's just sort of a different way of feeling this. Now, I can also concentrate here on this exercise that when I'm changing fingers, that my vibrato motion does not stop. So my arm is going, my arm is going, my arm is going, and you don't even necessarily see when I change from finger to finger, right? Because it does not interrupt the vibration at all. Okay? So, have fun with this. Make sure you don't feel any squeeze, and practice it everywhere and anywhere you can, and I bet your vibrato is going to get really good really soon.